Hello, good morning. Through this video, I want to convey a brief message on COVID-19 and possible Siddha interventions to all Siddha doctors of my family and also for public knowledge. COVID-19, we all know it has become pandemic. Currently, around 213 countries are affected with the deadly virus called SARS coronavirus type 2. Even developed countries like America, France, Spain, Britain, Italy are suffering much due to growing increase in incidence and mortality rate. As far as our country is concerned, we are safe till the moment. Community transmission has not been reported so far as a result of strenuous and effective steps taken by Government of India and state government concerned. We should not forget public cooperation also. It is also one among the reasons for effective containment of corona spread. We are all well aware of COVID-19. I mean about coronavirus, its origin, mode of infection, mode of transmission, signs and symptoms at different stages of disease, associated complications, and all precautionary measures. I am very sure that you are updating the guidelines as and when given by World Health Organization and Indian Council for Medical Research in this regard. No medicine has been developed so far to counteract novel coronavirus is the fact. Lab investigations are concerned, nucleic acid amplification test called real-time PCR is conducted to confirm viral RNA. It is done by collecting samples from nasopharynx, oropharynx, or from lower respiratory system, or by testing pulmonary secretions. The other important test is called rapid antibody test, particularly for IgG and IgM antibodies. It is a serological test conducted in hotspots of COVID-19, both for diagnosis and population surveillance. This facility is available in all government laboratories and also in ICMR and enable accredited private laboratories. Asymptomatic carriers are yet another issue what we are going to face in near future. As far as Ayush physicians are concerned, we are all permitted only to give preventive and immunity boosting medicines for normal individuals and the persons of comorbidity. We are not officially permitted to treat any infected persons. However, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India has notified to conduct a short-term research in COVID-19 prophylaxis. Really, it's a welcome decision. Let us see how the coronavirus infection is viewed in Siddha. In Siddha, corona infection is viewed as Kabajuram based on signs and symptoms. Initially, it starts with Kabajuram, then extends to Kabavadajuram, and finally ends with Jani-related symptoms. A study from Wuhan province clearly explaining about the 4 different stages of corona infection. They are: number 1, asymptomatic illness; number 2, mild to moderate pneumonia; number 3, severe pneumonia; number 4, critical stage. The same concept has been applied in my Siddha description also. In the initial stage, we are supposed to give Kabajara Kudinir, Nilevembu Kudinir, and Adadode Manapagu. When it accompanies Vadam, I mean in the stage of Kabavadajuram or pneumonia, we are supposed to give Vadajara Kudinir, Tipili Rasayanam, Maha Vasanta Kusumagaram, and Purna Chandrodayam additionally. And in the end stage of disease, I mean at the stage of Jani, Bhairava Matregal will be the ultimate solution. In the current situation, as a Siddha physician, what we can do? We can provide preventive and immune boosting medicines in Siddha and make the people to be aware of some simple preventive measures advocated by Siddha medical system and Ministry of Ayush. For preventive purpose, Nilevembu Kudinir is ideal one. It is possessing wide range of antiviral properties against human influenza virus, herpes simplex virus, H1N1 virus, dengue virus, chikungunya virus, human immunodeficiency virus, hepatitis C virus, human papilloma virus, cytomegalovirus virus, flavivirus, pestivirus, etc. We have to advise them to take 30 ml of decoction in the morning and 30 ml of decoction at night. Children, half of the dose. For improving immunity, the same Nilevembu Kudinir is enough because it improves immunity by enhancing the activation of cell-mediated, antibody-mediated immunity and production of cytokines like interferons. Even though we can advise Nellika Lehyam 1 teaspoon in the morning and 1 teaspoon at night for immune boosting purpose. Kalayil Inji, Nanpagal Chukku, Malayil Kadaka is the Kayakalpa method told by ancient Siddhas. In this viewpoint, balancing Vadam, Pittam and Kabam is critical at this stage. For this purpose, we could advise to take 1 to 2 gram of Tirigadaga Churnam in the morning with honey and 2 to 3 grams of Triphala Churnam with hot water at bedtime. We have to advise the people to practice Padigarandir gargling or salt water gargling and steam inhalation by using Tulasi or Nochi leaves every day. We could advise the people to drink star anise or clove or ginger or turmeric or lemon added tea every day in order to develop protection against virus. For disinfectant purpose, people could be advised to produce smoke of neem leaves with turmeric in home and premises. Also, we have to advise the people to do yoga, pranayamam, dhyanam to relieve from stress. Besides this, we have to stress the people again and again to follow 4 important things. Number 1, stay at home. Number 2, wash hands frequently with sanitizers or soap. Number 3, social distancing. Number 4, wear mask wherever they go. With all these words, I conclude my short speech. We will meet again with a new topic. Thank you.